So it is now official. This debate about academics versus sport is not ending. The Honorable Minister of Sport is now getting into the act. Listen.
Well, this is my personal opinion. I think that there are those students who are very talented in sports. And there are those students who are strong in academics. I feel there can be a balance. And I think that where a student is very good in sports, that student should get that special assistance in developing his academics, but not be penalized because he has not or she has not maintained a certain level.
Brilliant, Minister! Brilliant! You're on the side of common sense and justice. And please do nudge your colleague Minister of Education and ask him to nudge the principals of ISA and tell them to cut out this injustice in the education system. And while you're at it, Minister, this thing you're pondering about Jamaica hosting major sporting events, me not think we can afford it right now. Between me and you, Minister, your best and most prudent and affordable move in terms of meaningful sports development is to lay that synthetic running track in central Jamaica. That general central region of Jamaica is where a lot of our athletic superstars originate from. This is the region of the country where all the champions of girls' champs over the past 20 or 30 years is located. It's a travesty bordering on a national disgrace, Minister, that we don't have something as basic as a synthetic running track anywhere in that general vicinity. Trust me, Minister, a running track anywhere between Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, St. Anne, Trelawney. Install that running track anywhere in that era, and your legacy will be sealed. Big up yourself, Minister. Love and kisses. Minister.